Alright guys, it's time to take a vote on which case we're going to use for the Temu PC. In corner number 1, we have the weeb case. Pros: it's got cool girl. Cons: no see-through side panel, no back for any cable management, and nowhere to mount a 120mm fan, which means we can't use these totally authentic Lianli Infinity fans I got. Corner number 2, we have this case that I got as a freebie after buying this whole PC from Temu. Pros: it literally has all the features I just said the other one doesn't have. Cons: it has to be shipped by sea, so it will significantly delay this video by about 2 weeks, and it's also still a piece of shit. So cast your vote now down in the comments and let me know which case you want to see this Temu PC built with.